Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your water-fed pole to clean under a glass awning. Now this one's filthy on top, but at least you can see the way we do it. Now again, you can use tap water. You don't need to use pure water to clean under an awning. And here, I'm going to have a look at this. First, I can extend the pole out, and I can clean the frames. So after dust storms and maybe years of no cleaning, we can actually clean that bit of frame off, turn the brush up the other way, give it a scrub, and give it a bit of a rinse. Now when we go to clean under there, you can see I can extend that, and then I can walk that whole sheet of glass like this. And just wash under there, and the same principle, 2 agitations will make it a little bit clean. I'm using a little bit of strength here just to hold those bristles square against the glass. And then it's just a simple case of, and you may not be able to see everything I'm doing, so I'll come across to the side, of just quickly rinsing. Now that's not pure water, and it will leave some small marks, but comparison is amazing, and it's definitely okay for a property manager. Okay? And then you can just collapse your pole. This is the benefit of a light pole, where you can actually do that kind of work and sustain it. Okay? So if you find any glass awning, cleaning the underside is easy. Okay? Cheers.